The Dow's gains were small, but they were enough to take the world's most recognizable stock market index to levels never seen before. Strong earnings, promising economic data, and reports of potential progress on trade between the U.S. and China lifted investor sentiment. So let's get right to those closing numbers. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 30 points to 27,492. The Nasdaq was up 1, and the S&P 500 fell 3. As we've been reporting, a handful of stocks are responsible for much of the market's gains. But as Bob Pisani reports, that could be about to change.
Beyond the record highs we've been riding, there's a much broader breakout that may be very near. Only 10% of the S&P is at new highs right now. 6 of the 7 biggest stocks in the S&P are outperforming: Apple, Amazon, Google, parent Alphabet. But that could be changing. A handful of names are just 2 to 3% below new highs, close enough so that we get a little bit of move up more in the markets. We could have a significant expansion of new highs. So big names on that list: pharmaceutical companies like Glaxo and Merck, discounters like Walmart and Ross Stores, home improvement names like Home Depot, and a lot of the semiconductors as well. One breakout in particular has got a lot of traders talking, and that's this rally in energy stocks in the last few days. Why energy? Well, it's partly because the rally's been broadening out. Energy's been the most beaten up sector this year, so it makes some sense. Some of this may also be due to tax loss selling at the end of October that's now abating. The Dow transports are not at a record high, but they're just shy of the mark as well. 1%, that's a positive sign for those who subscribe to the Dow theory. Remember, Dow theory suggests that when a new high in the Dow is confirmed by a new high in the transports, that's a bullish sign. Put it all together, and it means the market's rotating a little bit. So the old big cap leadership is fading. Starbucks and Disney, McDonald's, Nike, they were leaders, but they're well off their highs for the year, and they're being replaced by a new bunch of leaders: banks, energy, and small caps. Classic value plays. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.